Hey guys, and welcome to today's video. In this video, I am doing the January unboxing. If you have noticed, my Boxycharm unboxings are all over the place. The try-ons are all over the place. For one, busy schedule, not getting them up. I have had issues with YouTube actually uploading the videos. And then Boxycharm for the past 3 months has not been sending me my box on time. They're sending it to several different states before it finally comes to my state to come to me. So I'm getting it anywhere from 7 to 15 days late. So yeah, I'm getting it like towards the end of the month instead of halfway through. So sorry about that. Hopefully Boxycharm will read my like 7th email and fix it. So January's unboxing. So let's open it up. I've already cut it. So let's see what we've got. And this month is Boxy and Chill. It's really cute, graphic, cute and bubbly. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. Let's see what we've got. And oh, I'm excited because Briocheo's in here. There's a Tarte palette in here. Rainforest of the Seas Volume 3. I have 2. I don't have 1, but I have 2. Oh, some fun stuff in here. So I'm going to pull out this first because I'm super excited about this. I'm pretty sure we've gotten this in a previous Boxycharm because I have this exact bottle. Okay, so this product is a Briocheo product. So this is the Briocheo Don't Despair Repair Strength and Moisture Leave-In Mask. Like I said, I'm pretty sure we have gotten this before because I have had this and I absolutely loved it. Loved it. It's 2 ounces. This is super moisturizing and strengthening leave-in conditioner. Provides reparative benefits and beyond. Its unique formulation of micro-encapsulated argan oil and an optimal blend of transformative nutrients that include B vitamins, coconut oil, algae extract, and biotin help to promote healthy hair that will leave you looking your very best. This retails for $16, and this can actually go quite a long ways. It doesn't go as long on me because my hair is really thick, really curly, but I noticed a difference with 1 use of this. So this stuff is bomb. Love this stuff. Okay, so second product. Let's go ahead and just take this guy out because it's right in the middle. We all know what it is. Tarte High Performance Naturals. This is the Rainforest of the Sea Volume 3. I always love their packaging for these. This is the outside packaging. It's really beautiful. Open her up. Ooh, these are my colors. Okay, the other one is my colors, but these are more of my colors right now. Really beautiful colors. And these are all shimmery. This one looks kind of matte, but I see there's still a little bit of shimmer in there, so it's not completely matte. But these shades are beautiful eye shades. Yes. And I love their mirrors. Their mirrors are like nice, clean, round. They're amazing. There's also a little card that came in with the palette. What is it? Oh, so they actually gave 4 eye looks. Wait, 2 eye looks. Okay, one side's Spanish, one side's English. So they actually gave 2 eye looks. That's nice. I don't think I've ever seen another company do these. Mary Kay does this all the time. Mary Kay, when we launched new colors, like we just launched our new colors, we came out with like 12 minimum new looks that we like publish and give out to customers and stuff, or that they post like in our catalogs. So I haven't seen a card like this in one of these type palettes over the past year, so that's really, really cool. So let me read the card on. So this is a limited edition Rainforest of the Sea Highlighting Eyeshadow Palette Volume 3. So dive into this vegan crease-free eyeshadow palette that features 7 highly reflective plush micro shimmers and 1 matte nude that serves as the perfect transition shade. This blendable and long wear formula is enriched with vitamin E and antioxidants, helping to hydrate and protect the lids. Retails for $36. I have a jacket on. See if I can. So I'm going to swatch the matte shade, Tiki, and then I'm going to swatch this Heat Wave and this Jewel. So Tiki is basically my skin tone, so it's not gonna do much. I was looking at the. It's not gonna do much on my skin. I mean, it's very faint. You guys probably can't see it. Heat Wave, and also with this palette, I'm noticing it's kind of like my other palette. It's kind of crumbly. Focus. It's not gonna focus. You have to really dig at the palette to get past that first layer. So that's where all the crumbly is coming from, because I had to really dig into there, but that is a beautiful color. Beautiful color. And Jewel. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. That's really pretty. You know what, let's just go into Malibu. Sorry guys, I'm a terrible swatcher. I swatch it where I can see it. Not where you guys can see it real well. And I have one more finger, so I might as well do, let's do Escape. So, that one right there. It's hard to see. So you can't see that last shade because it's really white, but these are all really, really pretty shades. Let me see if I can get... No, it's too bright. So really gorgeous shades. I'm really super excited about this palette. Okay, so next, I'll grab this guy right here. It's probably an eyeliner. Yep. Starlux Luxe Longwear Eye Pencil. The Starlux expands into a mechanical eye pencil with a launch exclusive to Boxycharm. The intensely pigmented formula delivers a beautiful color that lasts all day. The easy to extend and retract pen makes application and continuous use seamlessly easy without ever having to use a pencil sharpener. And it retails for $19, and I'll get it open here in a minute. So it's very sleek packaging. I mean, really simple. I can't tell if the camera can see it. Is it focused? Aurora Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. So pop the cap off. Looks like this, and you roll it out. Aurora. Okay, so it's not black. It looks like a rose gold color. You can get a very thin line with it. So it's very subtle because it's a very light color. So like a rose gold color. You can make a really thin line with it. It seems to be creamy and go on pretty smooth. I'll have to try it on the eyes. I do like the color. I don't know if I like it for an eyeliner. I'm a black eyeliner person. I just am. So, I'll try it out. Alright, so next I'm going to grab this guy, which is a Bite Beauty lipstick. Yeah, I'm just assuming by the packaging. So, and I got Pepper. So, Bite Amuse Boucher lipstick. This high impact lipstick is multi-dimensional shades. Was handcrafted to deliver intense moisture and a creamy wear. This lipstick serves bold, creamy color and an unforgettable sensorial experience in a single swipe. Retails for $26. This is pretty neat packaging. It's like a matte gray, but it feels, I don't know. It's smooth, but it's not smooth. It's like, I don't know how it feels. I don't know what's going on with the packaging. It feels really cool, but, and it has a slight, I don't know if this shimmer to it is from my fingers, or what. It does say Bite right there at the bottom. I don't know if it's focusing. If it doesn't focus on that, then it's okay. Oh, it's a nude shade. That's awesome. I'm really happy about that. Because Pepper, I was thinking like red. So, it's got the cute little bee on it. Really pretty shade. Oh, I touched my nose. It smells really good. It smells really good. So that is the shade Pepper. I like it. It's pretty. It's neutral. I don't have any lipstick on. Okay, so I don't have any lipstick on, so that's from one swipe without a mirror. Okay, it's very matte. It says intense moisture and creamy wear. I can feel it slightly creamy as I put it on, but also like tugging a little bit. So, like it feels creamy, but I guess I'm used to my my Mary Kay lipsticks that are really creamy. Like, I don't need lip balm. I could put just straight lipstick on and my lips are happy. Okay, so this lipstick is creamy. It feels like it's, like my lips were dry and I put this on and so it kind of tugged a little bit. It didn't go on like creamy smooth. But I can tell it's supposed to have a creamy texture to it. I can see how long it lasts. I do like the color. It is a nice color. It is a little darker for me as far as nudes go, but I'm willing to try it out. But unlike my Mary Kay lipstick that's cream, like I don't need lip balm. I can just straight put that on and it's like lip balm with lipstick combined and I love it. One formula does come off quicker, so I don't know if this formula might last longer because of that. But I did have to kind of do some tugging to get it on, and tugging your skin's never really a good thing, or lips for that matter, so I'm on the fence with that one. but, you know, I've only tried it once, so. Okay, last is this guy right here. This is Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mask. This was made in Japan. Oh, there's two. There's two of them. So this is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Face Mask 2-pack. Nourish skin from within using the lightweight blend of rice germ oil, vitamin E, essential fatty acids, and highly concentrated botanical oils and extracts. Each mask is designed for a maximum absorption, delivering 20 milliliters of skin-quenching serum and imparting an instant dewy luminous glow. A scientifically perfected trio of fermented Japanese anti-aging superfoods like green tea, rice, and algae instantly restore skin's health and radiance. Retails for $24. I'm assuming $24 is for the 2-pack, not just one. I would hope so. So, and there's also, if you got Boxycharm, there are 2% off codes. I'll try and include them in the description below. For the Tatcha, there's a gift with purchase of $75 or more on your first order at Tatcha.com while supplies last. Code is Boxy19. It ends on February 7th. And then the Bite lipstick is 20% off any $50 purchase on BiteBeauty.com. Code Boxycharm20. And it's till March 7th. So you have 2 months to use that one. So that was all for my Boxy and Chill box. As far as the theme goes, I don't know. I feel like this one's kind of all over the place. It's not normally as linked together like normal, which is kind of odd, but hey, I guess like the color scheme might be okay, because like the eyeliner matches the eyeshadows, and this lip, I mean, it's a nude lip, so I mean, it kind of matches really anything. So, I mean, I can see the color scheme and kind of like the packaging between the palette and this guy, but I don't know. I just feel like it's not as all connected as normal. So, but I'm excited to try these out. Look out for a trial video that I'm going to try and do. And so thank you guys for watching this video. So comment below which product you liked the best or which you would be willing to try. And subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Boxycharm videos. Hopefully Boxycharm will start sending the box on time again. I don't know what's going on. So the box comes from Georgia, and I'm in the very upper part of Florida. So it's not a long distance. So it's for some reason sending my box up north and then to the east and then back down. So I don't know what's going on. So thank you for hanging in there and watching my super late videos. Appreciate it. So love you guys. Like my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.